You will love the features of this 2018 Toyota Sequoia. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an impressively capable and comfortable Toyota Sequoia, the full-size SUV that seats up to 8 adults in a safe, luxurious cabin. You'll love its vast cargo space, towing ability, premium infotainment tech, and strong, elegant stance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, 8-cylinder engine, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, lane keeping assist. You'll feel relaxed and secure on every journey in this well-built Sequoia, and our team will see that you receive an outstanding customer service experience. Why not treat yourself to a test drive today?